UK's principal bike maker finished its financial year June 30th with another blast. This report just in a week ago from Phil Reed Jr., Triumph's US advertising manager. In the monetary year 2017, Triumph developed worldwide incomes by £90.9 million to £498.5 million, with benefit before uncommon costs expanding by £8.1 million to £24.7 million. £498.5 million is about $666.5 million today. Bike retail developed by 7,151 units to 63,404 units retailed amid a money-related year, an expansion of 11.3%. Triumph sold 86.1% of its bicycles in abroad markets, an expansion of 0.8%. That is 3 years of record development and retail deals for Triumph, both in the US. What's more, comprehensively, Triumph has been doing things another way in the US, shunning things like the standard International Motorcycle Show circuit for facilitating its own particular 60-stop North American visit, where it welcomes the coolest purchasers to the hippest areas. At that point there's the way that it's propelled a considerable measure of positively got bikes over the most recent 2 years, incorporating 5 over the most recent a year, Street Triple, Bobber Black, another Speedmaster, and new Tiger 800 and 1200 Enterprise models. Even with keeping testing monetary and cash conditions, including Brexit, Triumph Group has performed emphatically and has kept up its dedication and interest in innovative work, with a view to encouraging the non-stop changes of its items. The group has kept on building up its brilliant cruiser run, propelling 5 new bikes over the most recent a year, the new Street Triple, the new Bobber Black, the new Speedmaster and the new Tiger 800 and Tiger 1200 Enterprise bikes. It has additionally kept on showing its responsibility regarding addressing client needs, with the opening of a £4 million factory visitor experience at its Hinckley base. The factory visitor experience incorporates a historical center outlining the historical backdrop of Triumph, which is allowed to enter, and an open door for fans and aficionados to take a voyage through Triumph's cutting-edge producing plant to see where Triumph's class-driving cruisers are fabricated. Triumph is amped up for the future and is focused on conveying its long-haul vision through interest in the company's kin, offices and item that breakers character, legacy and execution to guarantee the accomplishment of the brand.